10 forgotten businesses that will make you rich in 2026. While everyone is building apps, launching dropshipping stores, and trying to go viral on social media, the businesses that are quietly making ordinary people rich in 2026 are the ones nobody is talking about. Not because they stopped working, because everyone forgot they existed. The businesses on this list have been producing consistent millionaires for decades. They serve needs that will never disappear. They operate in markets with manageable competition because most people are too busy chasing the next exciting trend to notice what has been working the whole time. And in 2026 specifically, with the tools, the platforms, and the access available to anyone with a phone and a work ethic, every single one of these businesses is more viable than it has ever been. Stay with me until number 1, because it is the most overlooked business on this list, and the one that has produced more quiet millionaires per capita than almost any other model in modern business history. That reveal is at the end. Let's get into it. Number 10, headstone and cemetery services. Nobody talks about this one. Nobody films YouTube videos about it. Nobody posts their headstone business journey on Instagram. And yet the death care industry in the United States alone generates over $20 billion annually and is one of the most recession-proof markets in existence for the most obvious possible reason. The demand never decreases. Cemetery maintenance, headstone installation, grave cleaning services, and monument restoration are all chronically underserved niches in most markets, where a single motivated operator with modest capital and strong customer service can build a reliable six-figure income with almost zero direct competition. The barrier to entry is low. The average customer is highly price insensitive because they are making a purchase driven by grief and love rather than comparison shopping. And referrals from funeral homes and cemetery management companies provide a steady pipeline of clients that costs nothing to maintain once the relationship is established. Number 9, mobile notary services. A notary public commission costs between $100 and $300 to obtain in most U.S. states. Once obtained, a mobile notary can charge between $75 and $250 per appointment for traveling to clients and witnessing document signings, real estate closings, legal documents, financial instruments, medical directives. The demand is consistent and growing. Remote work culture has created a significant increase in people who need documents notarized outside of traditional business hours and locations. Loan signing agents, a specialist subset of the mobile notary industry, can earn between $100 and $200 per appointment for real estate loan closings that take less than an hour. A mobile notary working full-time in a mid-sized city can generate between $70,000 and $120,000 annually. The startup cost is under $500. The competition is light because almost nobody thinks of this as a business. Number 8, pool cleaning and maintenance. There are approximately 6 million private swimming pools in the United States. Every single one of them needs cleaning, chemical balancing, and seasonal maintenance, whether the owner wants to spend time on it or not. Pool cleaning is a subscription service business disguised as a trade. The average pool cleaning contract generates between $100 and $200 per month per pool. A solo operator maintaining 40 to 50 pools can generate between $4,000 and $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue on a route that requires 3 to 4 days of work per week. The equipment cost to start is modest. The skill required is learnable in days. The customer retention rate on pool cleaning is extraordinarily high because switching services requires finding, vetting, and trusting a new provider, and most homeowners would rather continue paying reliably than deal with the transition. Once the route is established, pool cleaning is as close to passive income as a physical service business gets. Number 7, blind and shutter repair. Window blinds break. Shutters warp. The mechanism that raises and lowers them fails in ways that are simple to repair if you know what you are doing and expensive to have done if you do not. Most cities have 0 to 2 businesses specializing in blind and shutter repair. The replacement cost for quality window coverings is significant, often several hundred to several $1,000s per window, which means homeowners are strongly incentivized to repair rather than replace. A repair service charging $50 to $150 per blind is an easy sell against a $300 replacement. The training required is minimal. The tools are inexpensive. The demand is steady in any market with housing stock of any age. And the competition is so thin that a basic Google business listing in most cities produces immediate inbound calls. Number 6, irrigation system services. Every suburban lawn with an underground sprinkler system needs that system winterized in the fall, activated in the spring, and repaired when something breaks in between. In markets with seasonal weather changes, this creates a predictable annual revenue cycle with extremely high customer retention. Irrigation service businesses in mid-sized markets charge between $75 and $150 for a standard winterization or spring startup. A single truck covering 30 to 40 clients per day during peak season generates $3,000 to $6,000 daily. Repair calls throughout the season add margin on top. The startup cost including equipment runs between $5,000 and $15,000. The skills are teachable. The market is severely underserved in most regions because the business is invisible to people who do not own a property with an irrigation system, which excludes most young entrepreneurs, who are the ones most likely to be looking for business ideas. Number 5, estate sale services. When someone dies, downsizes, or relocates, the contents of their home, furniture, collectibles, tools, art, jewelry, clothing, books, need to be sold. Estate sale companies organize and run these sales, typically on a commission basis of 25 to 40% of total sales proceeds. The average estate sale generates between $5,000 and $50,000 in sales. The estate sale company takes their commission without investing any capital in inventory. The business model is pure service, organization, pricing, marketing, and execution with no product risk. Strong knowledge of antiques, collectibles, and household goods increases pricing accuracy and therefore commission income. In markets with an aging population, which describes most Western countries in 2026, the demand for estate sale services is growing and will continue growing for decades as the largest generational wealth transfer in human history plays out across the next 30 years. Number 4, mobile pet grooming. Pet ownership rates reached record levels during the COVID-19 pandemic and have remained elevated. The pet industry in the United States now exceeds $150 billion annually. And within that industry, mobile pet grooming, bringing the grooming service to the pet's home rather than requiring the owner to transport the animal, is one of the fastest growing segments. Mobile groomers charge a premium over salon-based grooming for the convenience of at-home service. Average appointment revenue runs between $80 and $150 per dog. A solo mobile groomer completing 6 to 8 appointments per day for 5 days a week generates gross revenue between $90,000 and $200,000 annually before costs. Startup costs for a van conversion and equipment run between $20,000 and $50,000, significant but financeable through small business loans, and recoverable within the first year of consistent operation in most markets. Number 3, pressure washing. Low barrier, high demand, consistent recurring revenue from commercial contracts, satisfying results that photograph well for marketing purposes. Pressure washing services clean driveways, decks, siding, parking lots, restaurant exteriors, and commercial properties that require regular cleaning to maintain their appearance and meet health code requirements. The equipment cost to start is between $2,000 and $8,000. The skill required is minimal. The margin per job runs between 40 and 60% of revenue. Commercial contracts with restaurants, property management companies, and retail chains provide reliable recurring revenue that supplements residential work. A pressure washing business with 3 commercial contracts and consistent residential scheduling can generate 6 figures in its first year of operation. Number 2, senior move management. The senior population is the fastest growing demographic in most Western countries. When older adults downsize from family homes to smaller properties or senior living facilities, the logistics of managing that transition, sorting possessions, coordinating movers, setting up new spaces, disposing of unwanted items, are overwhelming for people of advanced age and their families. Senior move managers charge between $40 and $100 per hour for the service and often manage the entire transition from initial consultation to final setup in the new space. The average engagement generates between $1,000 and $5,000 in service fees. The business requires empathy, organizational ability, and patience rather than specialized technical skill. Referral relationships with real estate agents, geriatric care managers, and senior living facilities provide steady client pipelines. In 2026 and across the next 2 decades, demographic trends make this one of the most structurally advantaged service businesses available. Number 1, parking lot striping. Here it is, the business nobody talks about. The business that has been producing quiet millionaires for 50 years in complete obscurity, while everyone around them was chasing something more exciting. Every parking lot in America needs its lines repainted approximately every 1 to 2 years. Shopping centers, hospitals, schools, office buildings, apartment complexes, warehouses. Every property with a parking surface is a recurring customer. The service is non-optional. Faded parking lot lines create liability, fail inspections, and generate complaints from customers and tenants. The equipment cost to start a line striper machine and paint runs between $3,000 and $8,000. A solo operator can complete 2 to 4 parking lots per day, charging between $200 and $800 per lot depending on size and complexity. A well-run parking lot striping business generating $500 average per job at 3 jobs per day, 5 days per week, produces annual gross revenue of $390,000. The skill required is minimal. The competition in most markets is 1 or 2 operators with no marketing presence beyond word of mouth. And the recurring nature of the need, every lot, every 1 to 2 years, reliably, means that a client base built in year 1 continues generating revenue indefinitely. It is unglamorous. It requires early starts and physical work. It will never generate a viral social media post. And it has been making ordinary people wealthy quietly and consistently, for longer than most of the people watching this video have been alive. The forgotten businesses are forgotten for a reason. They work too well and too quietly to compete for attention. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.